This is Tower 88, the largest, most powerful fire truck in the Airdrie Fire Department fleet. Today, you're going to get a small tour, and you might even get a chance to see it in action. Tower 88 is exactly as it sounds. It's a gigantic 100-foot tall tower. These trucks are known for doing all sorts of different jobs on the fire grounds because they can reach so high into the sky. The gigantic ladder allows firefighters to rescue people and operate nozzles to spray large amounts of water. Let's see what it's like inside Tower 88. With the fire truck weighing over 82,000 pounds, it needs really big tires to carry all the weight. Inside the cab, there are all sorts of buttons and dials and switches to help operate the truck as it drives down the road or at the fire scene. These dials and levers control the fire pump. The fire pump can pump up to 8,000 liters a minute through different hoses. The firefighters perform a complete check on the truck every single day. They need to make sure that all of the equipment is ready and working. The equipment check is now done, so let's check the truck. The firefighter inspects the engine compartment. This is where he'll quite often check the oil and the other fluids. The firefighter will move on and check the tires and the undercarriage of the truck, just to make sure everything is ready. And as the firefighters finish up their checks, it's time to get ready for fire school. The power is turned on and the engine started, and off they go. They arrive at headquarters, positioning the truck to start the drill. Because the fire truck is so heavy, it needs special wheel blocks and mats to hold its weight. The operator uses a remote control device to extend the stabilizers. The stabilizers are 4 extra giant feet to help hold the truck in place. With the 4 large stabilizers now fully set, the firefighters now prepare themselves to get up on the ladder. The operator now maneuvers the controls and begins to lift the ladder off the truck. The firefighters now put on special safety harnesses and leashes so they can go and work high. Today, the firefighters are going to perform a rescue on top of the building. They begin by attaching special ropes to the ladder. The firefighters are using special knots to attach a rescue basket to the ladder. The firefighters now make their way to the training platform on top of the building. The fire truck's ladder is now set in place, and the rescue can begin. The firefighters use their training to use special knots to attach the victim to the basket so they can safely lower him down from the roof. The operator now has a very important job. He waits for the signal and he carefully operates the ladder. Once lifted off the roof, the rescuers give the basket one last check, and then the victim can safely be lowered to the ambulance below. The operator now uses his training to carefully lower the victim down to the ground. These shiny things are called cylinders, and they are the powerful arms that lift the ladder. The victim is now lowered to the ground and the training is complete. After training, the fire truck is brought back inside the station, and now there's lots of work to be done. It's important for the firefighters to wash and inspect all their equipment after they use it. They have lots of pride in the fire truck, and they want to make sure it's ready to respond. The firefighters inspect all the ropes and harnesses, and they follow it up with a checklist to make sure everything is ready for the next emergency. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed watching Tower 88 in action.